So every study plan has to be defined in a very limited approach. For example, every study plan, I believe that आपके study plan में 3 components होने चाहिए. The first is the revision. Now whatever you study has to be incorporated as revision. दूसरा है static part. If you are studying, make sure you are studying static part very thoroughly. Static जो part होना चाहिए mainly NCERTs and standard books or your class notes can be there. And dynamic sources के लिए you have to follow current affair either through newspapers or through external sources. So these are 3 components in any study plan जो टाइम शेड्यूल के हिसाब से होना चाहिए. द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द प्रिपरेशन जो एस्पिरेंट्स फेस करते हैं वो होता है common issues. The first problem that you will face that you are not going to meet your daily targets because targets daily जो put करते हो तो उसके बहुत सारे issues होते हैं. Instead of having a daily target, have a weekly target, a weekly study plan and define it that this week I'll cover this. So होता क्या है that if you are not able to meet your daily target, next day आप थोड़ा stretch करके अपने targets को meet कर पाओगे. The second part is revision. Revision is a very common approach where students tend to defer revision. कल करेंगे and फिर कल नहीं आता है. So that is another problem that students have to face. तो revision आप हमेशा postpone करते हो. And the third is resources. Old राजेंद्र नगर में हम बैठे हैं, यहाँ पे plethora of resources है preparation के लिए. तो आपको लगता है कि इतने सारे resources में हम क्या पढ़ें, ये पढ़ें, वो पढ़ें. No, stick to one source. Trust that source and believe me, your examination की जो requirement है वहां तक meet हो जाती है. And that is where it is important that you define the sources of preparation और sources minimum हो, bare minimum. NCERT is one standard book. मार्केट में 10 सब्जेक्ट की किताब, 10 किताबें एक सब्जेक्ट से जुड़ी हुई हैं. Anyone based on basic research follow any good book and that should suffice the requirement. 2 काम करिए, syllabus check करिए and match the book index to the syllabus and see if that is covered or not, and that will meet the requirement. That is the primary approach. So do remember and this will remember, अगर ये work करेगा तो आपकी preparation streamline होगी. Take care.